vlog begins. Say hi. How's it going?
The phrase that you say that's weird.
Clothes.
Yeah, it's
No. I can't say in the chat.
Vlog. I've just realised that I haven't actually introduced you to the place, so here we are. As you can see, it's just like being at home, nobody's paying attention and they're all on their phones.
Grrr.
We have Matt and Charlotte's room.
Grrr.
It's quite nice to be honest. And then Tris and I are sharing a room. Sad times. Sad times. Then we have Emily's room, which is cute. Then this is Adam and Alice's bougie room because he's a little bitch and he got in and stole it. Views. The weed terrace. Cute. Damn. Hey, she's always ready. Bathroom. I like all the marble. I need to take this jeans off. I know that's better. Oh, it's so pretty. We've done well here. First meal, and these two are very confused.
I swear you twist there, don't you twist there, pull off the shell, isn't the meat under there ready?
His eyes are there.
Stop it. Stop it. It's not funny. Pick it up.
Get the waiter to come back and do it.
Yeah.
Could you show us how to eat? Oh, anyways,
Test if you're alpha,
we went for good old pizza, just like home. 3, 2, 1.
That was an early start from Adam.
Have we had a great day?
Put that down now.
Tell us, we've had a great day.
I'm making a joke, Emma.
So we've had a great day.
I've had a great day.
What do you think of your blue hair?
I love it.
What do you think of your blue hair?
I'm in the ghetto.
There it is. And with that, good night. Everyone saw that. Good morning, Tristram. Hello, everyone. Everybody's so happy.
People looking at you before you discuss that.
Happy to be here. Okay. That's good. swim in the waterfall because it isn't safe. So naturally, Tristan decided he would like to swim in the waterfall. Which of course is only going to go wrong. Why?
I was gonna do like some photo shoots out the window in it, but
have you actually bought those? How's it going, lad?
Ah, it's like a creamy night, man.
What are you rating it out of 10?
rate it.
Not bad, too far.
Good?
Rare thumbs up.
Yeah?
Yeah. For English. Whoa! That is shocking.
Slow. I can't, I need to move. Hello vlog. I thought I'd check in to let everyone know that I am doing a walk. I don't walk. I don't do walking.
We've been walking for 5 minutes.
We've not. We've literally been walking for an hour. It's supposed to be an hour walk and we're nowhere near yet. It's very hot, low-key melting. I brought a jacket because I thought it might be a bit chilly today. No, I was wrong. It's extremely hot. We're all complaining the entire way. Low-key just want to get a taxi, but walking's part of the holiday fun, I'm told. I think everyone's a liar, but yeah, we'll see. So yeah, I've bought a drink that says it's supposed to be super hydrating and full of fruit, because woken up with tonsillitis this morning. How do we feel about that, Tris?
What are we doing?
My tonsillitis, how do we feel?
It's all just a placebo, it's all on the red.
Brilliant. Just thought it was probably time to check in with the vlog again. So we're currently on the walk back. We plan not to walk back, to be honest, but according to Adam, who I'm not sure whether he's just lying to me because he wants to make me walk, if he is, I will kill him in his sleep tonight. Probably shouldn't say that on record. Let's hope I don't do it, or I've just totally given myself away. Yeah, apparently there was no taxi available to where we were, so we've had to walk it. We're probably about halfway back by now. Safe to say, I'm dead. So I'm going to stop off at the petrol station and buy some good healthy drinks to try and cure my tonsillitis, because apparently it's not being cured by antibiotics. Love that for me. Don't take antibiotics when you don't need them, kids. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Then I'm fully planning to go back to the apartment and crash. Like crash. I'm going to stick a film on and just be lazy and order food in, because this feeling just ain't it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Nobody knows what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm going to stop vlogging now because we're coming up to lots of people and I feel embarrassed. This is what you call a very happy Matthew Tristram. That's a lot of chicken. RIP to vegans watching.
How much was that?
Hello.
I need to wear that first.
Look at my disapproving face when I'm with you.
How's your breakfast sandwich, Matt?
It's a good sandwich.
What is
It does
it?
look quite
Chicken and pesto. cheese.
Oh no.
So, this
That
is
is
the mountain
massive.
we're going up. The height difference had to come down so far.
Is there more but we can't?
This is the mountain we're climbing up today. That'll be great for my tonsillitis.
Anyone want to
Are we like halfway? Halfway? Say we're halfway.
Down across and then we'll go back again.
How are we feeling, guys?
I'm feeling great. About to have an asthma attack.
I second that.
Sure.
How you doing?
I'm tired.
Agreed.
And my face is really
Can I climb up that pole?
Hello vlog. So we made it. We are up to, I don't know if we're at the very top, like furthest point, but we've got a pretty peng view. I should probably put my glasses on instead of just squinting. Not that these really do that much, but you know. We'll do it anyway. Is that beautiful? And everyone is currently sat over there eating. I don't know if you can actually see that, but yeah, I tried. To be fair, it was worth the hike. Failure. Absolute failure. How does it feel to not be a man?
My finger hurts.
Now have a red one. Just because you didn't get oranges in your sangria.
Do I just give you an extra lemon?
Pull that out.
I meant to put the lemon in this. Oh,
You're very unhappy.
that's a shame.
You've got sangria, cheap sangria. How can you be unhappy?
Not cheap, it's €8 on there. I paid 12.
That's I have no words for that. Okay.